misconception. এইগুলোর আগেই কিন্তু হয় না। What we will be doing, we will be placing it before the sounding words. So the sounding words are more important than anything else. Clear? Vowel sounding words take an before it. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. I'll be sending the picture better. ডিসকাস তো কিছু করবই, কিছু জিনিস আমি পিকচার পাঠিয়ে দেবো, তো সেইগুলো দেখে একটু জাস্ট পড়ে নেবে। পড়ার পর যদি কোনো অসুবিধা হয়, কারণ দেখো আমরা কিন্তু we will not be getting enough time that we will be discussing each and everything in detail, and you can understand also. So and do you know what are definite and indefinite articles? It already we have discussed, but still I'm telling. Definite. So definite and indefinite. Indefinite or indefinite. Definite means when we are particularizing. Indefinite means when it's not particularized. So a and an are indefinite, and the is used as definite article. Yes or no? This the is used as definite. আমরা এতক্ষণ indefinite article এর দু একটা example করলাম. We will be listening to something else also. That is, we have said that we will be using it before vowel sounding word. See, আমরা কি যখন করি, while we use HOTEL, আমরা তার আগে কি বসাবো? A or an?
A.
আমরা তাই বসাই। But in certain cases where people speak in hotel, not in hotel, আমরা হোটেল বলি বলেই কিন্তু ইউজ করি, কিন্তু অনেক জায়গায় কিন্তু এই এইচটা সাইলেন্ট হয়ে যায়, দিয়ে এইভাবে প্রনাউন্সিয়েশনটা এইভাবে হয়। যখনই প্রনাউন্সিয়েশনটা এইভাবে হয় তখন কিন্তু ওরা অ্যান ইউজ করে। ঠিক আছে, এটা কিন্তু ভালো করে শুনলে বুঝতে পারবে। So English is a language where you have to follow the rules of the native speakers. Those who are speaking there, they take their own grammar. আমরা কিন্তু প্রনাউন্সিয়েশনের উপর করছি, আমরা কিন্তু কখনোই স্পেলিং এর উপর করছি না। Then see, we will be discussing definite articles. So where do we use definite article? Definite article কোথায় ইউজ করি?
Ma'am, particularizing when we are particularizing something means this one.
Yes, so we are particularizing certain things and then we are using it. So where we are particularizing? Particularize কোথায় করছি? দেখো, যখন আমরা we are talking of some particular names of places, cities, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
When
ma'am.
we are using the with the Techno India group. So here we are using the. Clear? But at some parts where suppose we are writing the Ganga. Okay? So when we are taking the names of something, then we are using the definite article the. This is one rule. Second rule is when we are using superlatives. What are superlatives? Any idea?
Yes.
We compare one of another, like two or three or more. Two is a
Yes.
comparative degree, or one is single, or two, three or more is superlative.
Yes, you know, but you cannot express. When the comparison is made between three or more. So when the comparison is made between three or more, suppose I'm telling the most intelligent girl is Shalu Kumari Singh. So she has joined recently, that's why. So the most intelligent girl is Shalu Kumari Singh. So when I'm using the superlative degree, so Shalu Kumari Singh is the most intelligent girl in this class. So there we are using the superlative degree most. And when we are using the superlative degree most, then we are using the. এইটা কিন্তু অনেক এরর কারেকশনে দেয় ইন ইওর কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামস অলসো। অন্য এক্সাম যদি তোমরা দাও দেখবে ইংলিশে ওই কারেকশন হিসেবে এটা কিন্তু খুব দেয়। একটা এইটা বলতে এই সেন্টেন্সটাই না, দিস টাইপ। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য টাইপ? ওয়্যার আ সুপারলেটিভ ডিগ্রি, এখানে তো কম্প্যারিজন লিখেছি, মানে সুপারলেটিভ ডিগ্রির সঙ্গে when we are using superlative degree we use the definite article the. So this is where we are using the superlative degree the the definite article the with superlative degree. এই জিনিসটা কিন্তু খুব দেয়, এগুলো কিন্তু তোমরা এতদিনে you have got used to this, the Techno India, the Ganga, the Taj Mahal, so you are used to this one. You get confused এমন ভাবে একটা দিল যেটা তুমি the more you talk, এইখানে the more you talk না করে the most, মানে কথাটাকে সুপারলেটিভ ডিগ্রি যখন আসবে তখন আমরা কিন্তু the ইউজ করব। এটা মাথায় রাখবে, this one is important for you all. Next is, suppose when we are talking about some ordinal numbers, ordinal or suppose with ordinal numbers. So how? Suppose we are telling the first position was achieved by dot dot dot. So the first position. Am I clear? এই যে ফার্স্ট কথাটা আসছে, ফার্স্ট, সেকেন্ড, থার্ড, ফোর্থ, এই অর্ডিনাল নাম্বারের সঙ্গে আমরা the use করি. So we have to remember that any ordinal number will take the before it. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
With adverb also. আমি যেটা the more করে বলছিলাম, suppose we are telling that the more you practice, the more you get success. So here the more. তো এখানে তো superlative নয়. Is it superlative? No. But here the more is used as adverb. এবার adverb কি? প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস কিন্তু আলাদা করে তোমাদের ভাবতে হবে. What is adverb? Yes or no? So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to know adverb also.
Yes, ma'am. Adverb is a part of speech which describes about a verb, which gives
Yes.
description about a verb.
Which adds meaning to a verb or another adverb. শুধু verb নয়, another adverb কেও কিন্তু adverb
Yes, ma'am.
describe করে. Okay. So these are the basic rules I have said. Yes or no? Now I will be giving you one or two exercises. আরো অনেক রুল আছে কিন্তু সবগুলো যদি এইভাবে বলতে থাকি it will become boring. You will lose all your interest. So I will be giving you a whole chart. Now what you have to do is wait. I'm sharing the Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Okay. So we will be discussing this what 19 are there. 15 we will be discussing. Huh? One by one, not all at a time. Okay. So copper is das
And
useful.
Are
Yes.
useful, ma'am.
Why a?
The reason are because it sounds like you, and whenever it sounds like you or you or wa, then we add a instead of n.
Yes. Next
Let's
one.
say
Somebody.
university. We say a university, not an university.
Mhm. Okay. Next, somebody else speak. Next one. He is not dash honorable man.
Ma'am, Anne.
and
Yes. So
Anne
we
ma'am.
have already discussed. So why Anne? Because
Ma'am, H
the
is silent and O is
next
vowel, ma'am.
number three. Yes, an able man has not always a distinguished look. Next, number four. Dash reindeer is a native of Norway.
Hey, the
the
The.
Yes, so we are particularizing an animal. That's why we will be telling it the honest man speak. Number five, honest
The
man speak
the
the
The.
the truth.
The.
Okay. Number six, Rustam is
a
A. A.
a young Percy. Number seven, do you see
The.
the blue sky? Number eight, Varanasi is
N.
no.
A.
Uh, Varanasi is a holy city. দেখো এখানে কি হচ্ছে? At certain point you will think that because it is speaking of Varanasi, we will be using the. কিন্তু তা না, it will take a. Varanasi is a holy city. Number nine, Aladdin had
a wonderful land.
A.
a wonderful lamp. Number 10, the world is
uh,
a happy place. একটু space নিয়ে করো. It's looking very congested. Take some space and do. Next, the world is a happy place. Okay, number 11, he returned after
and
And
an hour. Number 12, dash school will shortly close for the puja holidays.
the
The.
the
Number 13, dash sun shines brightly. It's very easy.
The.
Yes. Number 14, I first met him dash
A.
a. I first met him a year ago. Okay. Number 15, yesterday. Why a?
ma'am, because the pronunciation is vowel and
Vowel.
because it's European. Yes, ma'am, European. The Y pronunciation.
তো এটা consonant তো. ওয়াই হলে তো কনসোনেন্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
Yes, I was confused.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, সো I yesterday dash European called at my office. A European, দেখো ই থাকলেও আমাদের প্রনাউন্সিয়েশনটা হবে ইউরোপিয়ান। ইউরোপ, আমরা ইউরোপ বলি না, ইউরোপটা কথাটা নয়, it's Europe. So when we are talking Europe, it will automatically take a European. Number 16, Korean is 16. Sanskrit is a difficult language. The Ganga is a sacred river. Number 18. Number 18.
The lion is a king.
The lion is
The and
no B. Number 19.
Hey, you are a fool.
এরকম আমি কিছু জিনিস দিয়ে দেব, হ্যাঁ?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a basic idea about articles, yes or no? Just some recap. So in the meantime, I said you that you will be telling certain things about what? About yourself. So are you prepared? Yes, are you prepared?
Actually, it's my first class, and I was not aware about this introduction. Means introduction yourself, but I'm quite ready because doesn't need to
So what?
take preparation.
In the last class also, two or three of them spoke. So it was their first class, so they started speaking. So even you should speak, isn't it?
Should I start now?
Yes, you can.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Nilanjan Rao, and I live in Kolkata. And I passed my 10th in 2017, and after that, in 2019, passed my 10 plus 2, 12. After that, I actually passed my higher secondary with arts, and I was really tilted about English literature, so that's why I have taken English literature in honors. But after first year, I realized that I'm not really enjoying it because my love for English literature was not the same. Actually, I think I exactly realized what I was thinking about, what I was used to think, and what it actually is. So later, programming is because one thing I want to tell you that programming is something I was really fascinated about from my I guess I was in eighth or ninth. From that time, I was really fascinated about programming. So that's why I have chosen to change my field and pursue diploma in 2020 in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. After that, I have means I'm in my pre-final year. No, I'm in my pre-final semester. So besides these, I am doing an internship for a US-based company for a remote software engineer, and my technical skills are like I worked at two MNCs for front end development and UX UI design. And besides this, also I am learning video editing because video editing, motion graphics, because a thing which most of the developers uh, come across, but they forget about this. That is when you actually particular design something, let's say you are designing an app or you are designing an website, what happens is there is a term called friction. Means how an element should be rendered in your website or web app or mobile app. So because that's why I was means that's why I started learning about motion graphics. So by motion graphics, you have the exact idea. You have the exact idea what should be the friction of your web app or Android app. So that's why I'm learning video editing and kind of I'm doing VFX, and I have done two internships for video editor. And sorry, man, actually, I was returning from outside of my home. So that's why I'm quite tired. Okay, let's continue. And
So, okay, so you have spoken. You have said that you have shifted your stream, and you are doing something. You are doing something over here. So you are explaining your work area. Though I'm not quite aware of that area, that how it's working. I just know the terms. Apart from that, I know nothing about that. I have an idea. I have worked in polytechnic colleges where communicative English. So I have seen them, but I don't have. I cannot explain. So one by one, those who have the same stream, they will be explaining to each other. I mean, if it's possible, I will be creating two or three. I will get to know that who are of the same stream, and then I will be asking both of you to interact. যেটা ডিবেট করাবো বা যেটা ডিসকাশন করাবো সেটা তোমরা সেম স্ট্রিমে যারা আছো সেম টপিক নিয়ে একটু আমি দিয়ে দেবো। I will take the names from sir and then I will do it. মানে তোমরাই করে নেবে, নিজেরাই গ্রুপ করে নেবে। তোমরা যারা নিজেদের মধ্যে গ্রুপে আছো তোমরা ঠিক করে নেবে যে কে কি টপিক নিয়ে বলবে বা ডিবেট করবে। আমি যে কোনো একটা টপিক বলে দেব, সেই টপিক নিয়ে ডিবেট করবে, and that should be in English and I must understand that. Okay, we will do it later on, after 2 or 3 classes. So okay, so who was speaking? Nilanjan, na? Okay. Now a girl has to speak.
Good evening,
Anyone?
ma'am.
Yes, good evening.
Ma'am, myself, Deboshmita Bhattacharjee. I belong from a very middle class family from Kharagpur, but because of studies, I'm living in Kolkata. I passed my class 10 exam from DAV Public School, Taratala, and after that, I pursued my class 11, but not fully. I then joined diploma in CST, I mean Computer and Science Technology, in Women's Polytechnic College, that is in Dhakuria. And my hobby is dancing. I completed my 5th year in Varanatya, and I also love cooking and singing also. But my best hobby is dancing only.
Okay, so we have a dancer over here who is studying this, but at the back of his of her mind, she is fond of dancing. See, fond of. I will be talking, you will be listening, you will be speaking, I will be explaining, or I will be stressing certain words. So this will, I've said fond of. This grammar is often given in exam. I'm fond of dancing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we will be discussing adjectives today. So two people have spoken. Next day, another two will speak. Good to listen from you. So you are from Kharagpur, but now staying in Dhakuria. Okay.
Now I'm staying in New Alipur, but my college is in Dhakuria.
Acha. Good. Okay. Now you will be discussing about adjectives. আমরা article পড়লাম. Do you know articles are also at some point are called adjectives? At certain point, articles are also called adjectives. We will be discussing adjective now. Article করেছি just এই 15-20 minutes আমরা adjectives করব. So articles are also adjectives. How? Just take your time and explain me. Articles কেও কিন্তু adjective বলা হয়. Articles are demonstrative adjectives. এটাও বলে দিলাম. Demonstrate করা হয়. What are you searching? See, when we are telling the girl, যখন বলছি, the girl who is in front of me is not studying. So the girl who is in front of me, I'm particularizing, I'm pointing. যে কোনো জিনিস, the girlটা হচ্ছে noun. Adjectives, what are adjectives?
Adjectives are those adjectives are one of the part of speeches that provides information about the noun.
Yes.
Noun or pronoun. Noun.
Adjectives are qualifying words. It qualifies a noun. So the girl who is sitting in front of me is playing with something. So the girl I'm particularizing. Again, girl কে যেন আরো বেশি definite করছে, girl কে যেন explain করছে. That's why it is also called demonstrative adjective. Now adjective তো হলো, এবার adjective এর বিভিন্ন রকম আছে. একটা এখনই বলে দিলাম demonstrative. That boy who is speaking is from this place. So that boy, এই যে particular point out করছি, you know what is demonstration? You have heard about demonstration, yes or no? Demonstration শুনেছো তো? What is demonstration?
In simple words, we can say it's to show.
Yes, to show, to point out. যখন demonstrate করছো, that means you are showing or pointing out. So adjectives demonstrate, can demonstrate. Adjectives can be just qualifying. Give me one example of adjective.
Fast, a fast runner. The word fast describes how the runner runs. The runner runs fast.
The runner runs fast. That means it is becoming adverb. Adjective বোঝাতে গেলে কিন্তু অন্য রকম করে বলতে হবে.
But the word runner is a noun, so shouldn't fast be an adjective?
Yes, it is a quality. It is a quality of the boy that he runs fast. It is a quality of the boy who is running fast. So it shows that it is the It is the adjective which is directly describing the quality. Now, 10 students have left the class. So 10 students have left the class. Here I'm pointing out some number. So it is adjective of quantity. দেখো 10টা এখানে কি, এটা তুমি if I'm writing 10 students, wait, when I'm writing 10 students, sorry. So when I'm writing 10 students, it shows that here 10 students are qualified. So देखो, here I'm pointing out some number. Now it is explaining or qualifying the students. Here we are using 10 as adjective of number. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes,
speaking in this way, you will improve your vocabulary. কিছুই না, এগুলো কিন্তু আমরা বলতে থাকি, কিন্তু আমরা কনফিডেন্টলি বলবো যখন আমরা বেসটা আমাদের ঠিক থাকবে। যে কোনো জিনিস আমরা এক্সপ্লেন করার সময় কি হয়, সাপোজ the way Nilanjan explained about all these that I didn't understand anything, but he was confident that he is making me understand very nicely. So this is 10 students have qualified. এই জায়গায় 10টা যখন বলছো তুমি নিজে জানো তুমি ঠিক বলছো, কেন বলছো, স্টুডেন্টস এর আগে 10 ইউজ করা যায়। অনেক সময় কি the number of students who have qualified are 10 এরকম করেও বলা যায়। But why will we say? When we need to speak, we have to be very compact. So making it compact, we will be using adjective of number. So we have done adjective of quality, demonstrative adjective, and adjective of number. Now we will be doing adjective of cardinal or ordinal adjective, যেটা আমরা থার্ড, ফোর্থ, the fourth boy, fifth boy এরকম করে করি তো? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I'm writing the fourth boy is Nehan. So when I'm telling the fourth boy is Nehan, that means I'm pointing out. Again, I'm telling a position. So ordinal, cardinal or ordinal adjective. Now interrogative adjectives are also there. What idea did you get of, what idea did you get of adjective here? What idea did you get of adjective? So দেখো, idea here is noun. So what is used before a noun to make it interrogative adjective? ক্লিয়ার? যখন জাস্ট নাউনের আগেই কোয়েশ্চেন ওয়ার্ডটা বসছে, WH word যখন জাস্ট নাউনের আগে বসছে, it becomes interrogative adjective. Demonstrative I have already said, and we will be discussing about every class is now important to you. Every class is now important to you. So what is every? What is every? Every here is
An adjective of frequency.
it's distributive. Distributive adjective. Each speaker will be praised. Each speaker will be praised. Yes or no? So here each, every, these are distributive adjective. Got it? Now if I'm telling, if I suppose I'm telling the red writings on board are not visible. I'm writing very fast so that I can complete two topics. So the red writings on board are not visible. Is it correct? Is this sentence correct? The red writings on board are not visible. So is this correct?
I don't think so, because you can't use two adjectives one after another.
Yes, who is telling this? What is your name?
I'm Anag. I'm Anag.
Anug. Okay. Yes, this one cannot be. Two adjectives are not placed one. Two same adjectives cannot be placed one after another. ঠিক আছে? পরপর আমরা ওই মাঝে মাঝে বলি না very very good, ওটাও হয় না, ওটাও প্রায় হয় না, only very good. Red, it's not correct English. Just এটা বলার জন্য এটা বললাম কিন্তু. Got it? So did you get the idea of adjectives? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if I send you directly some part of what some part of this adjectives to solve, can you do so?
Yes, ma'am.
Or should I send you the explanations also? ওই kinds of adjectives এর যে explanation আছে সেটাও কি পাঠিয়ে দেব? Or should I send you direct?
Ma'am, পাঠিয়ে দিন তাহলে।
Okay. I will be forwarding these things and sir will be sending. Okay. Next day, we will discuss about adverb and noun. আজকে যেমন article আর adjective করলাম, next day we will be doing noun and adverb. Got it? And the very next day we will be discussing a lot of things about verb. Verbটা কিন্তু অনেক বড় চ্যাপ্টার, be it tense, be it the finite, non-finite, anything, phrase, clause, সবকিছু verb নিয়ে চলে আসবে। Verb এর transitive, intransitive, we will be doing a lot of things about verb. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm ending the class now. I'm sending it to sir. Sir will be sending forwarding it to you, and I will be giving you one exercise. একটা এক্সারসাইজও দিয়ে দেব, সেইটা জাস্ট একটু দেখবে। If you face any problem, you will be asking me in the next class. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So thank you for the time being. Huh?
You too, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.